Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2007 4Runner. This is a 4th generation 4Runner, so these procedures will be the same for all 4Runners in that area. So let's get started. All right, go ahead. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to put the key in and turn it to on, and make sure you can see that the maintenance light is on right now. We want to make sure that the trip odometer, or the regular odometer, is showing, not the trip. Okay, and so now we're going to turn it back to the off position or the lock position, and then we're going to hold down this reset button, or hold down the odometer button, and then turn it on. And now you can see over here on the light, the maintenance light will now flash. It'll come on for a second, and then it'll go off. We're going to turn it on and make sure that it stays off. And as you can see, it stayed off. So thanks for watching, guys. And that's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2007 4Runner. Please subscribe. Thanks.